I'd been hearing about people driving crazy amounts of traffic from Pinterest. Some bloggers said they built entire businesses from it. But when I looked at my own account, 50 followers, barely any engagement, it was obvious I wasn't getting anywhere. I tried pinning more often, making graphics on Canva, even following other accounts hoping they'd follow back. Nothing really moved the needle. One late night, while scrolling through Fiverr for design gigs, I typed in Pinterest growth. And boom, there it was. Dozens of freelancers offering Pinterest services, account audits, pin design, keyword research, even growth strategies. I thought, what if instead of me guessing, I let someone who already knows the platform guide me? So, I ordered a gig for just $25. The seller promised to create optimized boards, design branded pins, and give me a content calendar. Within 2 weeks, I started noticing changes. My boards looked professional, my pins were colorful and clickable, and I had a clear posting plan. But the real shock, my followers jumped from 50 to 500, and the traffic to my blog doubled. I couldn't believe it. And here's the kicker, I didn't stop at one gig. I tried another seller who specialized in Pinterest SEO, and that layered even more growth on top. It felt like I had a team behind me, but for the price of a couple coffees. So, here's what I learned. If you're serious about growing Pinterest, don't try to do everything yourself. Fiverr has experts who can fast-track your growth, whether it's pin design, strategy, or even managing your account. If you want results faster, check out Fiverr gigs for Pinterest. It might just be the shortcut that finally takes your account from silent to soaring. Trust me, if my little account could explode, yours can too. I'll drop a link below so you can check out the Pinterest service I recommend the same ones who saved my Pinterest growth.